We just found a bear. There's a bear right there. There's a bear over there.
So cute.
I don't know if you guys can see. Hang on. The camera's all blurry. Camera's all blurry. I gotta. You guys. Oh my god. You guys. I can't believe we just found a bear. It's right there. You guys see it? We just found a bear, you guys.
I wonder where its mom is.
Its mom is probably around it. Oh. If its mom is there, I'll show you guys it. Okay, you guys? Okay? You guys, it's a bear cub. Oh my god, this is the first time I ever seen the bear. You guys, I think I see its mom. There's the bear. There's the baby. Baby's right there. The mom might be over there somewhere. I don't know. The baby's right there for sure, but I don't know.
Oh, he has a tag on his ear.
He has a tag on his ear, you guys. It's orange. You guys,
Oh yeah.
the bear is looking at us. The cub is looking at us. It's staring at us.
Wow.
Dad, are you scared?
I wonder where his mom is.
I think it's laying down by him. If we find the mom, we will show you it. Okay, you guys, we're going to keep hiking. I think, Dad, do you want to keep hiking?
Carefully.
All right, let's keep hiking carefully. You guys, I see the mom. I see the mom.
I don't see her.
She looks like a black boulder maybe. Hang on, the camera won't
Yeah, I
focus.
think that's a rock.
No, it looks like a rock, but she's actually not. I don't know if you guys could see her. Oh my gosh. I'm walking towards it. Guys, it wasn't a mom, it was just a rock. Okay, you guys, hang on. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna end the video right here. The cub is gone, so I'm just gonna end the video here. And don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what your favorite part was, and bye.